How to fix TikTok cannot report video. Welcome back everyone to this new video. Now if you're trying to report a particular video within the TikTok platform, and if you're having issues, let me show you a few solutions that you can try out. Now the first thing that you need to ensure is that if you are currently connected to a VPN, make sure you disconnect to it and try to see if this fixes the issue. If this first step does not work for you, the second step that you can try out is try to clear out the TikTok app cache. So what you need to do is head over to your profile, head over to the three lines on the top right, and then head over to settings. Once you're inside of settings, scroll down, head over to free up space, and you'll need to tap on the clear, which is the first option, and then tap on clear again. Once you complete this step, make sure you remove the TikTok application from the recent app list and try to see if now you can report the video that you were trying to report. Now, even after doing all of these steps, you're still having issues with it. In this situation, you just need to wait out 24 to 48 hours before your account gets to cool down. So if you have submitted reports for multiple videos, this may be the exact issue that you're facing. So once you wait out 24 to 48 hours, you would be able to report the video again. So that's pretty much all there is to it. If this video did help you out, be sure to subscribe. I'm going to see you in the next one.